Wait. I feel I can.
Yeah,
I
I'm
feel I can do
thinking,
that
Neville,
movement.
if you
Go
taught
on
them the
again, do
moves,
this.
it's only fair that you should show us what you taught them. No, really. Go ahead. No, Nev. No. All right, let's give it up. Let's just make this fair. You taught him something. He should teach you his signature move. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah. This we do. Aye. All right. What about Arden?
Yeah,
What about
enough of
Arden?
that. Arden don't have no dancers, but they have some serious drummers. Let's listen up, guys. We're going to do the rush chair. Ready? Hold on, guys. We're doing the rush chair. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Hit it.
All right. We have to go back in. No, the scores remain the same. It is still 26-22. Let's go back to Marlene.
Back inside.
Thank you. Thank you, Neville and Simone, and welcome back to the grand finals of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2015. The scores, like you heard, remain the same. Arden High 26, St. Jago High on 22. Now, let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you right there to winning the championship. Let's see, 4 minutes on the clock, please. Our first question comes from Bible knowledge. In the book of Luke, which woman did Jesus tell that she was worried and troubled about many things? Martha. Biology. What is the medical term for the defect of vision in which the eyes are not properly aligned with each other? St. Jago.
Astigmatism.
Incorrect. Strabismus or hypertropia. English language. Correct this sentence using the subjunctive mood. If I were to pass the exam, I will get the job. St. Jago.
Will should be would.
Correct. Local and international affairs. Look at the following clip. Identify this person.
Brand George.
Arden.
Brand George.
Yes, CEO of Supreme Ventures. Chemistry. How many moles are there in 11.2 decimeter cubed of ammonia gas at standard temperature and pressure? St. Jago.
2.
Incorrect. 0.5 moles. Music. Listen to this clip and give the title of the song. Dial my number. General knowledge. Name the co-pilot of the German wings St. Jago.
Andreas Lubitz.
Yes, we crashed the aircraft on March 24, 2015. Spanish. Translate to English. Yo llevaba una falda negra a la iglesia. St. Jago.
So I wore a black skirt today at the what? The party.
No, I wore a black skirt to church. Geography. What name is given to the hot southeasterly wind which blows over the Canary Islands? St. Jago.
Levanto.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Look at the clip. Identify this person. St. Jago.
Ruby D.
Incorrect. Cicely Tyson. Information technology. What is the name given to a facility that is almost exclusively administered remotely through lights out management? Dark data center. History. In what year was the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, St. Jago?
1955.
1955.
Incorrect. 1947, GATT was first signed. Mathematics. In a class of 35 students, 22 like mathematics, 25 like English, and 6 students do not like either of the two. How many students like both subjects? '18. Physics. The velocity of gas expelled from a rocket is 520 meters per second. If the gas is expelled at 2.5 San Diego,
That's
1020.
that's 1040 plus.
and the time has expired, 2.5 kilograms per second, what is the force produced by the rocket? And that'll be 1,300 newtons or 1.3 kilonewtons. Sports. This one is visual, so look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Lawrence Rowe, former Jamaican and West Indies batsman. Jamaican heritage. Who was the last of the British governors in Jamaica? Sir Kenneth Blackburn. What is the English translation for the phrase dans le monde? Around the world. And literature, this above all. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match, at which time the scores are Arden High on 28 and San Diego High on 16. Our 2015 champion is Arden High, and a runner-up is San Diego High. We invite the captains to shake hands in keeping with the Schools Challenge quiz tradition. And your final scores are Arden High on 28 and San Diego High on 16. Arden High is coached by Keenan Faulkner and Danley Wadsworth, while San Diego High is coached by Coyote Drake and Mark Clark. Congratulations again, Arden. And we now invite Mrs. Claire Grant, General Manager of TVJ and TVJ-SN, to present the TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz Champions Trophy to Arden High. Congratulations to our finalists and our eventual champions. On behalf of my season's co-hosts, Yvonne Chin Irving and Kalando Wilmoth, Neville and Simone, and the entire production team, I'm Marlene Stevenson Daly, wishing you pleasant viewing.